I have a weapon now. Gotta have a weapon. I'm gonna shiv somebody. What do I even do? Free time? Okay. 2 pillows and bed sheets. Requires 30 intellect. Fuck, I can't even pronounce it. I'm fucked. I'm cooked. Where do I get smarter? Preoccupied at the moment. Let's see what Danny's doing. Should I shiv Danny? Do I even need any of this stuff? Should I keep it? I guess there's no reason not to keep it. Computer? I'm smart enough to know not to go through there. Oh, there you go. Okay, now what am I at? 28 still? Are they taking away points because I mispronounced the word? There you go. Okay, let's go. What was it? A bed and better move? Chill. Wait, what was it? Oh, bed sheets. Shit. Is this a weapon? A bed dummy? Yoink. Oh. File is huge. Oh, I didn't even grab it. No, he's dead! Fuck. I fumbled. Yeah, I'll kill Slime. And I'll beat up Nightbot. So kill.
It's me, Mario. Hello. Okie dokie.
Dear Mario, please come to the castle. I have baked a cake for you. Yours truly, Princess Toadstool. Peach.
Listen. I'm never playing chess on stream again. God damn it, I still got it!
me, Mario. Hello. Okie dokie.
Dear Mario, please come to the castle. I have baked a cake for you. Yours truly, Princess Toadstool. Peach.
Listen. I'm never playing chess on stream again. God damn it, I still got it! Nightbot. I'm ready. Okay, so I gotta